Top speed, 216 miles per hour. No other car looks this cool. With its massive flying buttresses, it's a revolution in design. This is the Ford GT. Aerodynamics played a huge part in the design language of this car, and efficient downforce was the goal. At 150 miles per hour, the combination of the front splitter and the rear wing create 400 pounds of downforce. The tight bodywork only had room for a 3.5-liter V6, but with twin turbos, it makes 647 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque. Heavy use of carbon fiber means it's very light. 0 to 60, 3 seconds flat. But you'll need more time than that to earn the $450,000 it costs to buy one.